Hey, Sawyer.
Hey, what?
I want to know about your favorite giant.
My favorite Giants. Well, you've got The Little Giants. That's a pretty good movie. You've got the New York Giants. I mean, they beat Tom Brady a few times, so that's pretty good. San Francisco Giants had Barry Bonds. My two favorites, you've probably got either Andre the Giant. I mean, awesome wrestler. He was also in a bunch of movies.
Okay.
But then probably my favorite is going to be The Big Show.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's the Big Show.
It's a really big show.
And did you know that he actually isn't the one that's singing that? A lot of people get that mistaken and think that he made his own song, but it wasn't really him.
I just learned something. I thought it was him this whole time.
But probably my favorite giant wrestler would be The Big Show.
Okay, well, that's not exactly what I was asking, but
Oh, what do you mean?
Thank you so much for that. Here's what I mean.
The Giants of Route 66! Hello, adventurers. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
Danny, if the Giants you are asking me about aren't the correct ones, what is our adventure actually about today?
It's about the land of the giants, silly. And
Oh!
yeah, in downtown Tulsa on Route 66 in the Meadow Gold District.
You're talking about the massive Muffler
Yes.
Man Giants. Well, why didn't you say so?
Well, I just thought you would know.
Well, let's go check them out, and at the end of the video, I'll let you know which one's my favorite.
This is the woman behind the giants, which is what we're showcasing today, Mary Beth Babcock. So what we want to know is the land of the giants. We just want to know, like, what was your dream? Tell us about Land of the Giants.
The dream. I didn't even know it was a dream until it started coming to life. But I got this spot in 2018 and needed a mascot, and Space Cowboy came to life. And then we found a gentleman in Virginia to make him into a giant.
Yes.
Right? One is enough, right?
No.
No. So I thought, Buck needs a space cowgirl. So then we got Stella.
Yes.
And then Matt came and joined the group. He was actually bought by a local business owner in the neighborhood.
Okay.
He saw what was happening with these and was like, hey, don't we need more? And then my friend Travis at Max said,
Yes.
why don't we call it Land of the Giants?
Yes.
And then Aaron, who owns a bunch of the property, said, well, if you're going to call it Land of the Giants, don't we need more?
And we need more.
And I'm like, of course. And that's when Cowboy Bob was born, and then Rosie the Riveter.
She's gorgeous.
Right.
She looks just like you. Actually.
No.
I don't know. I was like, she looks like
blue
Mary
eyes. I have green eyes.
Okay. She's your sister.
She's my sister.
Okay.
And Stella out here we say is Julia.
Oh,
Works here.
yes.
And then Travis is always like, people think I'm Mac, so why not? Why not just embrace it all?
Yeah. Okay, so I know Rosie she just arrived.
Yes, October 2nd.
Like, feels like yesterday.
Yes.
Almost.
Yes.
Are there dreams for more?
You never
Just,
know.
yeah.
You have to stay tuned.
I know. I feel like that's how, like, we knew Buck was here, and then Stella arrived, and then Mac, and it just keeps going.
It just keeps going, and we thought we have to do this to get ready for the Centennial. Yes,
yeah.
so that's why we did more also.
Well, we love them.
Thank you.
So, we're just, she's the girl behind the Land of the Giants, guys. I mean, you have a team, of course, but like,
Yes,
she's
major team.
She's got the big ideas here.
So come see us
Yes.
at all the shops.
All the shops. This was the first Muffler Man to be put right here on Route 66 in Tulsa. His name is Buck Adams, Space Cowboy, and he was put here in 2019.
This This is Stella Adam, the 19-foot tall space cowgirl who is also known as Buck Adams' gal. So if we catch you looking, make sure Buck doesn't find out. This is Meadow Gold Mac. He's about 22 feet tall and he goes by Friendly Lumberjack. And he was put here in 2024. This is the Route 66 Collective.
And all these shops are pretty darn new, or they haven't even opened yet, but they got their beautiful neon signs put up for some of them. I don't think all of them are here yet, but it's right here on Route 66 with the Land of the Giants.
I called it Route 66 Collective. It might actually be 66 Collective. I'm just so used to putting Route in front of everything that has a 66 in it.
Yeah, same. This is Cowboy Bob. He is 21 feet tall and he is a resident as of 2025.
This is good old Bob on the belt. When you plan your visit to the Meadow Gold District to check out the Giants, make sure you leave yourself a little extra time to grab a bite to eat and enjoy some fantastic shopping.
This is Rosie the Riveter. She is our newest giant and she stands at 19 feet tall.
Rosie the Riveter is located just across the street from famous Ike's Chili. Got Meadow Gold over the shoulder, got Cowboy Bob over the other one.
The Land of Giants.
The Giants are here.
All
the
five
Giants
of
are
them.
in Tulsa.
Yes.
The Land of the Giants.
They should have a song.
Living in the Land of the Giants.
Oh, he's already writing the song.
I mean, I was kind of taking it from Land of the Lost.
Oh.
Living in the Land of the Giants. I mean, that's got to be it, right?
I mean, close to it, I guess.
All right, so in the beginning of this, you were asking me who is my favorite Giant.
And you gave a lot of great answers.
I did.
Which they all worked. But in the regards of the Land of the Giants, as in the Muffler men and women on Route 66 in Tulsa, the Land of the Giants, who is your favorite giant of this group?
Did you tell us who your favorite was?
Stella.
Oh, okay. Well, that's fitting.
She's just cool.
Just cool.
And we have a brick that has our names on it over at Stella, which I think makes it even more special. So.
All right, if the context clues did not give it away already, my favorite is dun da da da, Buck Adam, the Space Cowboy.
Why?
Dun da da dun da da dun da da dun da.
Okay, get that song in there. Why is he your favorite?
What do you mean? Why is he my favorite?
I,
He's got the cowboy hat. He's holding a spaceship.
Okay, you're good to go. I love that answer.
All right.
Who is y'all's favorite giant of these five? Tell us in the comments, because we really do want to know.
Let's give him a rundown again, real quick.
Okay.
So you've got Rosie the Riveter,
Who is the newest?
who is going to be up by Ike's Chili.
Yes.
As you come down this way, then you have Buck Adam. Then, just on the other side of the building, you have Stella Adam.
Yes. And
Go
then further
down.
down on this side of the street, you have Cowboy Bob. And
Yeah.
then across the street, Meadow Gold Mac.
The Friendly Lumberjack. I feel like you have to say that every time.
Okay.
Meadow Gold.
That's his
Mac,
full
Friendly
government name.
Lumberjack. Yes. So, adventurers, we hope you've had a great time in the land of the giants with us. This was a blast coming, seeing all of these muffler men out here, and we just love coming down here. It's daytime right now. If you're coming to visit, you should not only come by during the day, but also at night. There's a lot of neon here in the Meadow Gold District, and the signs look fantastic at night.
Yeah,
So
and there's a
I highly
lot of
suggest
new
that too.
neon too.
Yes.
So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future adventures, and head over to Facebook and Instagram and you can find us there too.
We'll see you on our next adventure. This right here, this is Meadow Gold Mac, and he's about 22 feet tall, and you can't teach that.
Bada boom. Realest guy in the room.
Bada boom, realest explorer in the room. How you doing?